That's probably good for a knife. This Dexter knife they've given me is very, very dull. Got a few nicks in it, rounded edge, and then I'll show you on this orange how it won't even grab the skin. And that's a good test to see how sharp they are. So we'll sharpen that, and then I'll come back to you with this. And this is a P9 4801 Dexter. Looks like a 10-inch chef's knife. Okay, so I'm just going to start sharpening this knife, and I've got it set at a 30-degree angle. And I'm just passing it through this diamond wheel here to try and get that edge fixed up. This one's bad, the edge was, you saw it before, so I'm just going to try and get it cleaned up. I've done about 15 passes so far. I will turn it over and do the other side. So you just run it through, use the hand motion. It's 3 passes, 4. And what we're trying to do is just create a burr. And as soon as we can create a burr, we can hone that off, and that'll be our, we'll start working on our edge. So the biggest thing we got to do here is get some metal moving and make a burr. So not much of a burr yet, just because of how bad this knife was. So I'll run it some more passes. And I'm just sliding it in the track to keep the angle consistent every time. And consistency will keep a knife sharper because the angle is always the same. Back to the other side. We're just starting to get a little slight burr on there. Take it to the honing wheel, and we're just going to hone that burr off. Very lightly, very evenly. Just back and forth. Right on the center of the honing wheel, just maintain the angle. Turn it over and do the other side. And you just want to carefully remove the burr. Just try it on this orange. And it's relatively sharp without a lot of time. Now I would like to spend a few more minutes on it if I could, because I've never had this knife sharp before, my own, so you can see how it cuts that orange. And then we will, I need a cutting board for that, but we can just try and cut off little slices. So it tracks very nice. It's the bevel's equal now, so it tracks straight. And I'll just run this again, a few more passes to sharpen it up some more.